The Ganges River dolphin was officially discovered in the year A. 1801, B. 1834, C. 1898, D. 1922. The correct answer is 1801. Lakshadweep is an island of A. volcanic island, B. tectonic island, C. coral island, D. alluvial island. The correct answer is coral island. Which of the following states has recorded negative population growth during 2001 to 11? A. Nagaland, B. Mizoram, C. Sikkim, D. Goa. The correct answer is Nagaland. Which is the first railway station in the country to have sanitary vending machine? A. Pune station, B. Bhopal station, C. Lucknow station, D. Patna station. The correct answer is Bhopal station. The Water ATM project was launched in which Indian state? A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. West Bengal. The correct answer is West Bengal. Which of the following is the world's largest cleanliness survey carried out by Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? A. Swachh Abhiyan, B. Swachh Bharat, C. Swachh Survekshan, D. Swachh Sankalp. The correct answer is Swachh Survekshan. Which place is famous as Sanskrit village of India? A. Pimpri, Maharashtra, B. Prayag, Uttar Pradesh, C. Matur, Karnataka, D. Korba, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Matur, Karnataka. In which state UT there is no Human Rights Commission? A. Delhi, B. Assam, C. Sikkim, D. Goa. The correct answer is Delhi. In which city of India, India's first national park for differently abled people was inaugurated? A. Dehradun, B. Patna, C. Hyderabad, D. Bhubaneswar. The correct answer is Hyderabad. The Vice President of India also acts as the Honorable Chancellor of which university? A. Delhi University, B. Banaras Hindu University, C. Punjab University, D. Lucknow University. The correct answer is Punjab University. Which railway in India was declared as a World Heritage? A. Taj Express, B. Rajdhani Express between Delhi and Guwahati, C. Delhi Kalka Special Train, D. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The correct answer is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Who was the first Pope to visit India? A. Pope Benedict XVI, B. John Paul I, C. Pope Paul VI, D. Pope John XXIII. The correct answer is Pope Paul VI. Which of the following states is landlocked? A. Maharashtra, B. Telangana, C. West Bengal, D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Telangana. How many Indian states comprises the northeastern part of India? A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. The correct answer is 8. Which southern railway station has earned the unique designation of being the first energy-efficient A1 category station in India? A. Kachegula, B. Otakamund, C. Dodabetta, D. Medak. The correct answer is Kachegula. Who became the first Indian origin finance minister of UK? A. Rishi Sunak, B. Rajiv Kumar, C. Shrijesh, D. Ajay Narayan. The correct answer is Rishi Sunak. India's first super fab lab was inaugurated at A. Panaji, B. Kochi, C. Cuttack, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is Kochi. The name of the scheme launched by Government of India to boost creation of science and technology infrastructure in the country is dash. A. Amrit. B. Hriday. C. Sankalp. D. Sati. The correct answer is Sati. Which Indian state produces maximum wind energy? A. Haryana. B. Odisha. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. When the Northeastern Areas Act was passed? A. 2 LST January 1970. B. 30th December L 97 L. C. 8th November 1972. D. 5th June 1975. The correct answer is 30th December L 97 L. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was recently awarded by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for which of the following projects? A. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. B. Save Our Girl Child. C. Nirdhana Kanya Yojana. D. Ujjwala Yojana. The correct answer is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Kalmakari painting refers to A. hand-painted cotton textile in South India. B. A handmade drawing on silk saris in Northeast India. C. A hand-painted decorative silk cloth in northwestern India. D. A bloika-painted woolen cloth in western Himalayan region of India. The correct answer is a hand-painted cotton textile in South India. Which one is the longest national highway of India? A. NH5. B. NH7. C. NH8. D. NH10. The correct answer is NH7. Which one of the following state is the largest producer of black pepper in India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Assam. C. Punjab. D. Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. The Krishna-Godavari basin is one of the largest reserves of A. Aluminium. B. Zinc. C. Natural gas. D. Iron. The correct answer is natural gas. In which state of India, the archaeological site Hampi is located? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Karnataka. When the Panchayati Raj system was first introduced in India? A. 1947. B. 1953. C. 1957. D. 1959. The correct answer is 1959. Which one is the largest post office in India? A. Delhi GPO. B. Kolkata GPO. C. Mumbai GPO. D. Chennai GPO. The correct answer is Mumbai GPO. When the telegram service was first started in India? A. 1850. B. 1858. C. 1896. D. 1912. The correct answer is 1850. When the telegram service was first made available to the public in India? A. 1851. B. 1852. C. 1854. D. 1962. The correct answer is 1854. Which town in India was formerly known as Cape Comorin? A. Kanyakumari. B. Madurai. C. Mysore. D. Trivandrum. The correct answer is Kanyakumari. NH7, which is the longest national highway of India, is connecting between A. Jammu Kochi. B. Guwahati Jaipur. C. Varanasi Kanyakumari. D. Chandigarh Chennai. The correct answer is Varanasi Kanyakumari. Leh Manali Highway is the dash highest altitude motor highway. A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. The correct answer is Second. Which one is the capital city of Uttarakhand? A. Dehradun. B. Udham Singh Nagar. C. Nainital. D. Haridwar. The correct answer is Dehradun. Indian Military Academy is located in which city? A. Shimla. B. Mussoorie. C. Dehradun. D. Lucknow. The correct answer is Dehradun. When the Indian Military Academy was established? A. 1901. B. 1915. C. 1932. D. 1944. The correct answer is 1932. Which of the following states do not share border with Bangladesh? A. Tripura. B. Assam. C. Mizoram. D. Manipur. The correct answer is Manipur. Which state has the lowest positive population growth rate in India? A. Mizoram. B. Goa. C. Sikkim. D. Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. In which state the Kanha National Park is located? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Odisha. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which one is the biggest national park in India by area-wise? A. Namdapha National Park. B. Hemis National Park. C. Sundarbans National Park. D. Bandipur National Park. The correct answer is Hemis National Park. Which one is the first state in India built on the linguistic basis? A. Haryana. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Assam. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. The largest source of power supply in India is A. Hydroelectric power. B. Thermal power. C. Renewable source. D. Nuclear power. The correct answer is thermal power. The Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats meet at A. Nilgiri Hills. B. Cardamom Hills. C. Annamlai Hills. D. Palni Hills. The correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Tungabhadra and Bhima are the tributaries of A. Narmada. B. Mahande. C. Krishna. D. Kaveri. The correct answer is Krishna. National Sugar Institute, NSI, is located at A. Varanasi. B. New Delhi. C. Kanpur. D. Lucknow. The correct answer is Kanpur. Where was India's first computer installed? A. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi. B. Indian Iron and Steel Co. Limited Burnpur. C. Indian Statistical Institute Calcutta. D. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. The correct answer is Indian Statistical Institute Calcutta. India's first glass mosque is located in A. Agra. B. Shillong. C. Kolkata. D. Ooty. The correct answer is Shillong. Which one is the original source from where the Indian national motto Satyameva jayate is adopted? A. Mundak Upanishad. B. Prashna Upanishad. C. Samaveda. D. Yajurveda. The correct answer is Mundak Upanishad. Which national highway connects Delhi and Mumbai? A. National Highway 1. B. National Highway 5. C. National Highway 8. D. National Highway 10. The correct answer is National Highway 8. How many coastal states are located in India? A. 7. B. 9. C. 11. D. 12. The correct answer is 9.